Tariffs 2.0 are here, and they're not what you think, but what does it actually really mean for car shoppers? President Trump announced a revamped auto tariff policy, not just higher taxes, but a reshuffling of incentives to reward US production. Trump thinks this isn't just a slap on imported cars, it's a blueprint to rebuild American manufacturing. Under the new structure, imported vehicles and key parts get hit with a 25% tariff. That's nothing new. But automakers who build in the US, they get tariff relief, including part reimbursement credits for domestic assembly and no double tax clause on metals. That is totally new. Trump's calling it Fair Auto Future, but I suspect that automakers are calling their lawyers. If a vehicle is assembled in America and uses US-sourced components, it avoids the worst of the tariffs. If it's imported or built with a heavy foreign parts list, that price climbs. Which brings us to this. Behind me, the GMC Yukon AT4 Ultimate with Super Cruise. This full-size SUV is built in Texas. Engine, American. Drivetrain, domestic. Results, no penalty fees, no price gymnastics. While competitors raise prices, the Yukon holds steady and looks like a genius move. The Yukon is powered by a 6.2-litre V8, it seats up to 7, tows 8,400 pounds, and offers Super Cruise hands-free driving, all while dodging Tariffs 2.0 entirely. And it isn't just clever packaging, it's policy-aligned engineering. Trump's new rule gives US-built vehicles up to 3.75% back on retail value for the first year, scaling down gradually. On a $96,000 Yukon, that's almost $3,600 the competition has to bake into their price. So let's look at some of the ones that didn't necessarily plan ahead. The Toyota RAV4 XLE, built in Japan, could climb nearly $4,400 post-tariffs. Mercedes E-Class, a $9,000 premium thanks to its fully imported status. Even American-assembled vehicles can get burned if they rely on imported drivetrains. Take the BMW X5, built in South Carolina, but powered by German engines. Tariffs credit help, but buyers could see a $2,000 bump. The Yukon, meanwhile, offers the same horsepower and none of the extra cost. You're getting massaging seats, 18 speakers, Bose audio system, and a 16.8-inch infotainment system in tariff-free wrapping. Luxury isn't dead, it's just being recalculated. Tariffs 2.0 reward companies who localize and push those still stuck on the global parts carousel. So, where do prices go from here? Imported models will spike short-term, domestic brands will hold or undercut. In 3 years, expect a reshuffling of where cars are built and for whom. GM's move to double down on US assembly wasn't patriotic, it was strategic. In a post-reform tariff world, being American-made isn't just a marketing slogan, it's a pricing advantage. So the question is, should you wait or buy now? If you're eyeing a full-size SUV and you want something that drives itself on the freeway, hauls a boat, and won't get smacked by policy shifts, the Yukon is it. Tariffs 2.0 have changed the game. GMC just figured it out and how to win it. Built in the US, tariff-free, tech-rich, and timed perfectly for policy shakeups. And in this political season, one SUV just played the long game, and it did it without shouting. I'm Nick Miles.